How to fix Roblox connection error? There was a problem reaching server. First step, close Roblox completely, restart the device, then move on with next step. Click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and click reset now. Once the reset complete, after move on with next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, click allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, click change settings, scroll down. Search for Roblox. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means you need to add the application. Easy method, come outside, right click open file location, copy the address, come back and paste the address here. You can easily get the application. Click it and add it. Click add in the bottom side. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Once complete, after move on with next step, open run and type the following text, percentage local app data percentage, scroll down, click Roblox folder, click the local storage, delete the files inside the local storage, come back, click log folder, delete the files and folders inside the log folder, come back. Next step, open this PC, make sure you have enough memory space, right click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Wait for some times. Once complete, after it will throw up the message successfully scanned. Close it. The last and final step, search for command prompt. Right click run as administrator and type the following text, ipconfig space // DNS. Click enter and the next command, ipconfig space /release. Click enter and the next command, ipconfig space /renew. Click enter and the next command, netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. The next command, netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter, exit and restart the device. Thank you.